Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. So if you have played lots of tracks and you don't want your followers to track your recently played list, then you guys can stop it, or you guys can private it. How you can remove it. So let's get started. So you guys have to just simply don't worry about it, and simply you have to simply log in with your Spotify. So after completely logging with your Spotify application, you guys have to simply open up Spotify settings. So in order to open up settings, you guys have to simply go to your library, and in your library, you guys have to just simply tap on the top left corner of your profile. So after tapping on that, here you will be able to see settings and privacy. So you guys have to just simply tap on it. So after tapping on settings and privacy, you guys have to just simply scroll down, yeah, until you will be able to see the option which is privacy and social. So in the settings, you guys have to simply go to privacy and social, which is here. So after tapping on that, here it will provide you some options. So you guys have to just simply click on the private session and enable it, which is second option. What it can do is it can basically stop all the recently viewed list. So you guys can listen any of the music on your Spotify, and that cannot be tracked, and the duration of private session will be 6 hours. So you guys have to just simply enable it after every 6 hours, and in this way you guys can private your sessions from your followers or following list. And I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.